everybody. We are from 7 Group Microcontroller System. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Krisna Lestari Sibarani with NIM 14S18038.
My name is Kenny Sibarani with NIM 14S19004.
My name Luis Butar-Butar, NIM 14S19022.
Now we want to present our result project is checking soil moisture based on Atmega 8535 microcontroller using soil moisture sensor. And I want presentation our paper. In our paper with title checking soil fertility based on the Atmega 8535 microcontroller using soil moisture sensor, and our abstract in our paper based on the work experience of farmers are still unable to improve the quality of the soil and will result in the soil in these fields become infertile. Although there are tools that can measure soil quality, such as pH meter, they are expensive. In addition, there is also a method by taking sample of paddy pile, which are then investigation in the laboratory. However, this method takes a long time. Not everyone can do it. And also the agriculture office of its district does not have its own soil quality testing laboratory. The price for testing the quality of the soil or its soil sample is still expensive. In this study, the sensor is a soil moisture sensor here with an Atmega 8535 microcontroller and act as processing tool and data processing generated by the sensor. The data is displayed on the LCD. The value is displayed low on the screen regardless of whether the value is good, medium, or higher. This tool works according to the program built into the microcontroller and developed using the codification of IVR programming language that display the detect data. This system can also be used to determine the quality of paddy file. The equipment still use simple a component to help farmer reach price. Later, it will be used by both the city government and the agency to determine the fertility of paddy files in their respective regions. And we present that next to my partner.
Introduction. From year to year, the need for rice production in Indonesia is increasing. This is due to an increase in population. To meet the rice needs, farmers do various ways. However, the problem lies in the ability of farmers to know the quality of the soil in increasing rice production. Farmers do not yet have accurate indicators to determine soil fertility. Farmers only use estimates and experience in fertilizing, which cause farmers to not be able to increase soil fertility, which can even cause the soil in the fields to become infertile. In the market, there is a tool that used to determine the level of soil fertility, namely a pH meter. However, this tool is still quite expensive. There is a method to determine soil fertility, namely by taking soil samples from the fields, which are then investigated in the laboratory. However, this method takes a long time and there are no laboratory in every region in Indonesia. In connection with the above, a tool is made that can determine soil fertility by using soil resistivity parameters. To determine the value of soil resistivity, a soil resistivity sensor is used. This tool has advantage compared to tools on the market, namely cheaper, more complete in terms of providing information. The information will be displayed on the 2x16 LCD screen. The information displayed on the display is the value of soil resistivity soil type, soil quality level in good, medium, and bad. And this is our literature review. And this is our design.
For implementation, here's the circuit we've made based on the circuit on the Proteus. The circuit above has been adapted to the circuit on Proteus, where all the ports on the ATmega Lab 8535 microcontroller have been connected to the port on the LCD and the soil moisture sensor. Connected ports are the follow like this table 1 ports. The program code is as follows, like this figure. In the above program code, the definition is set to ATmega. We zoom the slide. I'm repeat. In the above program code, the definition is set to ATmega 8535. Sorry, we have a mistake. And to crystal of 60 megahertz. The configuration is done on the LCD pin and on each port that is used. Then again define home ref equal get ADC 0, which means home ref is an analog to digital converter port on PA0 and is defined as home as an additional definition in here. Okay, then the do looping process is carried out with the formulation like the previous manual calculation on the percentage value. After that, a range adjustment is made on the LED, which will display the output of the program. Do looping at this part, and we use this manual calculation to with percentage. Next, this is the data from the sensor experiment we did on 4 flower pots filled with soil with the resistivity soil moisture. From the figure 1, we have 4 flower pots filled with soil with the resistivity soil moisture. Figure 2, we have the first flower pot with soil that is 11% moisture or dry. I will tell you this one is the first flower. This one the second flower. The circle one is third flower, and this is the fourth flowers. Okay. The second flower pot with 81% moisture soil or has a lot of water content or moist. The fourth figure, third. Okay, I'm sorry. The third flower pot with 81% moisture soil has a lot of water content or moist. And the last figure, the fourth flower pot with 91% moisture soil has a lot of water content or moist. So the conclusion of this project is 1. From the result of the circuit testing that we have done, the circuit that we have made has worked well and is in accordance with we wanted in the program that we create. 2. The soil moisture sensor measures soil moisture very well, although it has a slight problem with accuracy. The 3. In the measurement process, the soil moisture value is 91%, where the best soil moisture value is for farming is 90%. So we have obtained the best soil test result to find the farming process. This is our reference from its journal. We have 16 journal to be our reference to make this paper. Okay. Next, we will show a video of the implementation of the circuit that we have made. This is the program code for our project circuit soil measure sensor. Here, using an ATmega 8535 base file and using a crystal of 16 MHz. This is the LCD configuration on the ATmega 8535 pin port. Now we start the ADC program. We define whom_ref and whom. Then we do a do loop by entering the calculation operation that have been searched manually. Next, we create a range of digits on the LCD to display the output that will be generated on the sensor.
The following are the tools we use. The first is LCD. The second is ATmega 8535. The third is a soil moisture sensor. And the fourth is a power supply using a power bank. And if the circuit is connected to the power supply, the circuit will be active. And now we can see the result of soil sensor moisture.
This is the first flower pot, the second flower pot, the third flower pot, and the fourth flower pot. Now, we take the soil moisture sensor circuit that we have designed. We connect to the power supply. We can see that the circuit is active. Next, we will experiment with sensor into flower pots. The first, we put the sensor into pot 1. The output on the LCD is 11%. Next, we put the sensor into the second pot. We can see the output on the LCD is at 81%. And next, the third, we put the sensor in the third pot, and we can see the output on the LCD is 81%. 81%. And the last, we put the sensor into the fourth pot, and we can see the output on the LCD is 91%.
Okay, that's all from our group presentation. If there are mistakes in word or explanation, we apologize. Thank you.